How to cancel TuneCore subscription? Hello friends, if you are searching how to cancel TuneCore subscription, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can cancel your TuneCore subscription. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. The first thing to do is log into your TuneCore account. Go to your account section. Navigate to the releases option. Select the release you want to cancel your subscription for. You will be redirected to the release details page. Scroll down to find the cancel subscription button. Click on cancel subscription. Follow the on-screen prompts to submit. Once you have cancelled your subscription, your music will be removed from all the streaming platforms and online stores. And you are done. By using this method, you can easily cancel your TuneCore subscription. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.